Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now, we all love creeping on Instagram stories. Don't lie, you've done it. But sometimes we want to do a little sneaky viewing without them knowing. Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to watch Instagram stories without them knowing. No awkward scene notifications, no judgment. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you two tricks on how to do that. Let's start with the easiest trick in the book, airplane mode. First, open your Instagram app and load the stories. Do not watch anything yet, hold your horses. Now, turn on airplane mode. This cuts off your internet connection so Instagram can't register that you've seen the story. Now, go back to Instagram and start watching those stories. You'll see them without sending the scene notification, but don't take too long or you'll be caught when you turn off airplane mode. Speed is the key. But if you really want to make sure that they don't receive the scene notification, you can uninstall the app before turning off the airplane mode. But don't worry, you can reinstall it again. Now let's get into the second trick. Now here's a super sneaky trick, but you got to be careful with this one. Now, I want to view this person's story, but I don't want him to know that I want to view his story. So, what we're gonna do is to click on the story next to the target person. And if you swipe halfway to the right, you'll be able to pick at the story without triggering the scene notification. Now here's the catch. Don't swipe too far or you'll accidentally open the next story. You want just enough of the story to satisfy your curiosity without getting caught. Just a half swipe like this, you can see the story, but no one will know you were there. So there you have it, a simple and sneaky way to view Instagram stories without them knowing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your favorite sneaky Instagram trick in the comments. Stay incognito, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!